Hello, today we will discuss how to drop students and certify a roster using the self-service platform. To begin, go to the college homepage and choose Faculty and Staff in the upper left. From there, go to the navigation menu on the left and choose Login to Self-Service. You may need to log in, and you may need to select the Faculty button to bring you to your course overview. For the purpose of this video, we'll use a test course, and you can scroll through your courses to find the desired section. And this is going to bring you to the section details page. On this page, we want to check the Drop Roster tab. Now, in the past, we certified rosters using the letter codes N and Z. N stood for no-show, and Z stood for a student who originally attended the class but is no longer participating. Now, instead of using N for no-show, we will simply use the never attended column. Here we simply check the box if a student has never attended the class. You can see once the box has been checked, the drop button lights up. Note that if we're using the never attended column, we do not have to enter a last date of attendance, and we do not have to use this final grade option. Our other option is to use the last date of attendance column for students who originally showed up to our course but who are no longer participating. In this case, we want to enter a date, the last date of their attendance. Again, you can see once the date is entered, the drop button appears. So after that, we can select the drop button, and we will be given a chance to confirm the drop here. Once we've done so, we're going to see a notification in the upper right of the screen that the student was dropped successfully. The student will receive a notification of the drop in their email. So once we have confirmed all of our drops, we can go to the Census tab to certify our roster. We want to make sure that first census is selected, and then we can see the students that are in our class. All we have to do is select the Submit button to finalize our choice. And once we do this, we're going to receive a notification in the upper right. Again, we have a second chance to finalize this, and we click the Submit button, and we see that the certification was completed successfully. Note that we only have one opportunity to certify the roster. We are not able to come back and recertify, even if it is prior to the census date. In the past, faculty sometimes came in and marked their no-shows, then came in a second time to certify the roster before census. We will no longer be able to do this. Certifying the roster is now a one-time opportunity. If you do need to drop a student after you've certified your roster, you'll need to contact Admission and Records to do a manual drop and also contact the division office. I hope this helps, and have fun certifying your rosters.